Hey guys, Chad Hedrick here with Spraying for Profits, Roof Rabbit, Roof Coating Life, or whatever you know me from. Hey, I just wanted to hop on here and just shoot this quick video about our upcoming training that's in Overland Park. We just had one in Nashville, had right at 30 contractors there, absolute banger success. And I've had a handful of guys reach out to me that couldn't make that one and are like, hey, whenever you do your next one, you know, that's I'd be interested in coming to it. And I've had a handful of guys that have said, hey, you know, we already know how to bid a roof, and we already know everything about chemistry, and we already know, you know, this and this and this and this. I guess my question I'll ask you is, if you already know all those things, are you still successful? And you are still successful. Are you where you want to be? Because I can assure you that I will share some topics and some things that my clients do that I've trained them and taught them on that 98% of America's coating contractors are not doing. I can promise you that at least 2, if not 3 of the things that we are doing, probably 99.5% of America are not doing. When it talks to roof coating contractors, 2 of these are patented, and one of them is a brand new AI that I'm involved with that is going to absolutely revolutionize how you can market. Let me ask you this. How would you like to be able to have the name, phone number, and possibly even email address of, say, 80+% of the commercial building owners with a video picture or drone shot, I should say, of their building in the exact condition it is in today? Not Google Earth 30 days ago, 90 days ago, today, or within, let's just say within 10 days, since I can't do everybody's today. But if I could get you a flyover legally of their property in the last 30 days and give you not only that, but tie their contact information to it, to where you could take your own direct mail campaigns, your own cold call list if the phone number is found through public data, and you do your own marketing program directly to that building owner. And if they have another building, another contractor that say, oh, you know, we've already got a roofer, then why is your roof in this shape if you have a roofer? Lock you in on maintenance programs, repair programs. We also have a program set up on the marketing side with one of the largest direct mail companies in the United States that you see their ads on Facebook, you see their ads on TV, you see their ads and everything else. We partnered with them and built a program specifically for our industry to tie into all of the different times of year and all the different things that we are involved with. On top of that, how would you like to be able to offer something that less than 100 contractors currently in the United States are offering, that are increasing your closing rates on buildings 60, 70, 80%? The ability to go into buildings that have moisture and quantify how much moisture is there, not just saying it's wet, because guess what? I can spit on a roof and it will show up as wet. But being able to quantify actually how much moisture is in there and be able to get that roof back into a position that we can coat it, get a warranty from the manufacturer, and be able to give that building owner actual data that they can see and understand and read, not just a colorful picture with an MRI, with an infrared scan. Be able to quantify it for them, let them understand why the moisture is, where it's at, where it came from, how we're going to take it out, get rid of it, and never lose that job to another contractor again, because you will have data to prove everything you've done and the position your roof is in. Insurance comes in, has a hailstorm, let's say, insurance comes in and says, oh, well, this is pre-existing. You can close that on the spot because you have absolute, with certainty, the data you need to never lose that client. So all of this will be discussed in depth on our 2-day training. So if you can tell me that you're a $1 million company You can leave our training, and I would have zero problems with saying you could be a $2 to $3 million company in the next 12 to 18 months if you'll incorporate what we're doing and training our guys. I've had companies I've worked with that are in the 10 and $20 million marks. We can increase you. I don't care if you only do a $500,000, we can take you to that $1 to $2 million. Whatever it is, if you're willing to put in the effort, I promise you, we have the ways to get you where you want to be. No matter what manufacturer you use, no matter what coating sprayer you use, no matter whatever you want to do, this is stuff that will allow you to take you from where you're at now and scale 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And I promise you, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I will personally answer your questions right here on the phone, 573-694-0262. I can tell you this, guys, I have manufacturers reaching out to me, asking me to do this training and let them sponsor it, and I won't do it because I don't want this sponsored by any type of one specific company or coating. So we are keeping it to ourselves and bringing you guys things that are going to help you scale no matter whose coatings you decide to use. That's on you. So feel free to give me a call, and I promise you I will make it well worth your money.